So I'm guessing what's happening is that there's a building here. So there's the building, and its shadow is 23 meters. So if this was the sun right here, this is the sun, then the shadow must be here, and the length of the shadow is going to be 23 meters. And then we have a line joining it to the top of the building from the tip. So it's a triangle now. Oops. And that line forms a 47-degree angle right here with the flat ground. So here's my diagram right here. And then for B, we have to find the height. So we have to find what X is over here. So we use tan ratio here. So tan 47 degrees is going to be equal to X over 23, opposite over adjacent. Multiply both sides by 23 to get me X is equal to 23 multiplied by tan 47 degrees, and 23 multiplied by tan 47 degrees is going to be equal to 24.7 meters.